we're going to be doing something a little bit different while I wait for something out in the garden to cure. Today I'm going to be... No, there's no point looking at it because you can't see it. I can put that in.
I can see it.
Can you? Oh, you can you? Well, anyway, today's challenge, and it is a challenge, it's a special challenge, is can I put on a 40-plus-year-old Cyberman suit? Now, it's a latex piece over an old boiler suit. Why didn't I show you this magnificent piece? And here it is. This is the object that I'm going to try and put on. As you can see, it's a bit old, it's a bit creaky and a bit crusty, just like all these old exhibition props are. And I'm sure that if I was to take this off the hook and just try and stand it up, it would actually, I will try that. Can it actually stand up of its own volition? Sort of. It is a bit creaky and crusty. So, yeah, as you can see, it's very, very old indeed. The latex skins that's over this boiler suit have completely perished. Now, a chap did say to me he would like to actually take it off my hands. I'm sure he would love to take this off my hands. But I don't think that it would survive getting onto a mannequin. So, to save him a bit of time, I'm going to try and get into this. So, let me go off and do that. Right, shoesies off. I'm now going to try putting this on. I really don't want to. It's been sat in the garage for about 12 years and I don't know how many spiders are in it, but let's try it out. Oh, this is definitely crusty. Oh God, oh God. No. Oh, hang on, my foot is actually going in. Having a bit of a cyber crotch problem here. Damn it! Oh, God mighty. Yeah, the guy who thinks he's going to pick this up and take it home with him has got another thing coming. You will never get a mannequin into this. If I'm having trouble and I'm bending and I've got joints, you are not going to get it into that. How much do we think is going to come off this? Do you know, getting into it's one thing, getting out of it's going to be another. Oh my God. Right. How much has fallen off me? A fair old amount. Now, this is going to be interesting. Getting my arms into it. No, I can't get it above my shoulder. Come on. I'm doing my best David Banks impression here. Come on. It's stuck to itself. Whoop. Yeah, I think that's about as far as I can get. Let me try getting the other arm in. Oh my gosh. If only I had a spare child to come and give me a hand. No, I'm going to dislocate my shoulder. No, this is impossible. Well, that's about as far as I can get into it. Hang on. I'm just beginning to wonder if I'm a bit tall for this. I've got my shoulders in. This is way too small for me. No, just watch me struggle. That's absolutely fine. Hang on, let's see if I can now button this up. Oh, he flies. Breathe in. Yeah, I'm too fat for this. Well, this is excellent content, I'm sure you'll all agree. Let me see if I can get it on. Yeah, that's about... Yeah. Doesn't this look good? How much flex do I have? Not much. Perfectly normal way of walking. What do you think? It's fantastic, isn't it? Look at this. Ooh. Well, I think I can safely say the challenge has well and truly been accomplished. The biggest challenge is going to be how the hell am I going to get out of this, because my wife has to go now. So anyway, wish me luck. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.